This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus versus the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now they both have the Snapdragon 855. Note 10 Plus has 12 gigs of RAM. OnePlus 7 Pro, this one is the 8 gig of RAM model. Unfortunately, I don't have the one with 12 gigs. Note 10 Plus has One UI. OnePlus 7 Pro has its latest version of Oxygen OS. Gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. Ooh, nice and close on the boot up, but I'm gonna give the slight edge to the OnePlus 7 Pro. And we are in! Nothing in the background on both. As you can see, all apps and caches have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close. Messages. Very close again. Maybe the 7 Pro on that one. The camera. And let's go. Ooh, give that to the Note 10 Plus. Clock on both phones. Go ahead and start the stopwatch on both. Leave that running. Samsung Internet and Chrome. We'll do a search for Note 10. Go. We'll go ahead and click on this one. Go. Nice and fast on both, as you can see. Now I gotta say, with the 90 Hz on the 7 Pro, nice and smooth. Although a little bit of a jitter on both. Then go ahead and reload the page. Give you a general idea of the performance. Very nice. 7 Pro is a little jittery actually. Maybe that's just the internet connection. So take that with a grain of salt. We'll click on one more link. We'll click on this one. Go. And that's right to the Samsung page. If you want to buy a Note 10, you go here. Personally, I'll choose the unlocked version. Calculator on both. Nice and fast. Play Store. Ooh, 7 Pro maybe a little bit out in front. We'll go ahead and click on this. And gonna click on this one. We're gonna install this. Actually, nah, we'll just leave it there. Amazon Shopping. Ooh, very close. Maybe the Note 10 on that one actually. Click on the deal of the day. Nice and fast on both, as you can see. eBay. Ooh, very close. Maybe the Note 10 Plus. Slow down the video for me. Click on these sweats by Champion. Super Mario Run. Oh, loading on both, neck and neck. Ooh, and give this to the 7 Pro. Tap to begin. Ooh, but the Note 10 actually faster running the game. So call that however you want. Temple Run 2. Loading on both phones. Oh! We may have a draw here. We'll find out in a second. And give the win to the 7 Pro. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on the Note 10 Plus. Will the 7 Pro catch it? Note 10 Plus out in front. And we'll give the win to the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus on this. Asphalt 9. Oh, Note 10 is ahead. Oh, and give the win to the Note 10 Plus. Tap play once. PUBG Mobile. OnePlus 7 Pro out in front. Hearing noise from the OnePlus. Loading on the OnePlus, loading on both. Oh! Give the win to the 7 Pro, that came up first. And get rid of all this stuff. All this extra stuff on the OnePlus. Gonna go ahead and try to get rid of this, okay. And get to the game. Similar performance on both though. Adobe Photoshop Express. I got this 8K image on both devices. I'm gonna go through here and I'm gonna choose the black and white filter. And then I'm gonna go ahead and choose the faded B&W, faded black and white. Go ahead and choose that one. Gives it a old effect. Jack that filter up all the way, click on that. Ooh, nice and fast on both. So I'm gonna save to gallery, see which one saves it faster. Go. Draw. Twitter. Draw again. IG. Another tie. WhatsApp. Ooh, maybe the Note 10 on that. Snapchat. Very close. So let's go ahead and take a look at the multitasking on both phones. So you can see everything is in the background. Note 10 Plus does have 12 gigs of RAM. OnePlus has 8. Will that make a difference? I don't know. Let's run through these apps again. See if there's any delays or stutters or any reloads of any apps. Same place on the Photoshop. PUBG is good to go on both. Asphalt 9. Ready to play on both phones. Angry Birds 2. Ooh, a little bit of a lag on the OnePlus. And then Temple Run 2. Ready to resume on both. Mario Run. Mario Time. eBay. Same place. Amazon. Same place. Play Store. Same place. Calculator. Nice and butter on both. Browsers. Still on the same page. Clock on both. Still running the stopwatch. Camera. Maybe the Note 10 by just a tiny bit on that one. The Messages app. Note 10. And the Phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. If you have a OnePlus 7 Pro, are you gonna make the switch to the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus? I'd have to say, for a cheaper price, you get most of the performance out of the OnePlus 7 Pro. Get the same processor, there's a 12 gig of RAM option for the OnePlus 7, you get a cleaner UI, a customizable UI on the OnePlus 7 Pro, although on the Note 10 you do have themes, so you can customize this phone as well. Bang for a buck, I'd have to say it's a better ratio on the OnePlus 7 Pro than on the Note 10 Plus, but with the Note 10, Note 10 Plus, or specifically the Note 10 Plus, you essentially get everything. Think of a feature, this phone will probably have it, unfortunately, except for the headphone jack, and I kind of wish that the Note 10 Plus did have a 90Hz display. The OnePlus 7 Pro has that going for it, that's for sure. Nice and buttery smooth, probably the smoothest version of Android to date. Anyway, let me know in the comments below what you thought about this particular matchup. Thanks for watching. Peace out.